Welcome to Piano Adventure Lesson 2B. Before we start the lesson unit, we have a look at the Level 2 Theory Review. First, about rhythm. So we learn about time signature, indicate how many beats you need to count in a bar. The top part represents how many beats in a bar. So 2 beats in a bar, 3 beats in a bar, and 4 beats in a bar. And the bottom quarter note is represent crotchet. It means 2 crotchet beats in a bar. Then we need to figure out how many beats we're gonna put in here by counting it. So we have within a bar, we have 1 plus 1 is 2 crotchet. It means 2 beats in a bar is 2, 4. Now we count. This is a crotchet rest. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 beats in a bar, we put 4, 4 on here. And now we count how many crotchet are there? 1, 2, 3. So this is 3, 4. Now we're reading about interval. So we're looking at here. Space to line, normally it is even number. All the line to space is stepping or jump, even number 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we're looking at the distance. Line space, 4 steps. So we call it fourth. Now we write the letter here, which we need to read. Human face F-A, A and every for E. And then we have every good boy B. Looks like this is skipping. Skip to D. And line to line is odd number, is third. Line space, second. So we have every good for G. Human face F-A for A. Now we look line to line, it's going to jump odd number. So it will be fifth. So from every E, jump fifth to B. Same as the bass clef. So first we look space line and they are close. Gonna be even number second. And we'll find a letter which we use the words all cows eat grass. So this is a G, go up to A. Now look at this line to line, definitely is odd number, it's fifth. So good for G, jump fifth to D. Now this is above the line, so we have space to space, definitely odd number, it's third. So we look at good birds don't fly away, above A is B. So B skip down to G. This one, space line, definitely is a even number, fourth. From all cows, C, jump fourth to F. We have line to line is skipping, which is third. So we have good birds don't. Start from D, skip to F. 5 finger scales exercise. Remember, all of this is major if it's not written little m. So remember the difference between major and minor is in the middle letter, which is the third. For A 5 finger, remember we have a sharp in here. So we have A, B, C sharp, D, E. G 5 finger, we have G, A, B, C, D. D minor, remember major you have sharp, so you flat the sharp, become D, E, F, G, A. C minor is normally vanilla ice cream. C major normally is vanilla ice cream. C minor will become C, D, E flat, F, G. From here to here, we flat the middle, which is G, A, B flat, C, D. Now we can look. First, we read the first letter. Human face, F, A. So this one looks like it's A, 5 fingers. And this one, below E is D, and there's no black key. It means this is D minor. And we have all on the space, so we only read the bottom notes, which is F, A, C. So this is C minor with a black key in the middle. And same as the left hand. So we have all cows eat grass. We only read the bottom, which is A, and there's no black key, so this is A minor. And we have good birds don't. So this is D, and we have a sharp. It means this is D 5 fingers, which is major. And this one here, we have G, good. And then there's no black key, so this is a G major. And all cows, so we have C, final ice cream, no black key, so this is C major. And terms, so andante, normally this all speed indication put on top of the song on the left side. Andante means walking speed. And closed mouth, it means gradually play softer. Allegro means fast and lively. Open mouth is gradually play louder. This is for the pedal mark. Phrase. Phrase is a musical sentence. And all of this symbol, it is indicate dynamic mark. And we learn this, cancel the black key, which is natural sign. It means cancel a sharp or flat.